Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is MissSharz in case you are stopping by for the first time. If you've been around, then you know that you are most definitely welcome. On today's clip, I'd love to share with you my hair wash routine. As you guys know, or those who may not know, 6 months ago, I decided to get a keratin treatment on my hair, which I really loved. In case you missed that video, be sure to check it first before you can check this one, so that, yeah, you just see how far we've come. Yeah, so this is my hair 6 months later. I just love the shine. I just love the growth. And yeah, I am so happy to be sharing with you my journey. I hope I'm inspiring you. And yeah, so just stick on and watch my wash routine. So this is my 4C hair. It's been 2 weeks since I got my second keratin. And yeah, so let's do this. So this is how my hair looks like after 2 weeks. I haven't washed it ever since. I also didn't straighten it. Yeah, but I've been applying oil and serum, you know, just to maintain the softness and silkiness. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Look at how sleek it still is. I just love how straight it remains with minimal effort. And whenever I comb through, it's just so smooth and tangle free. Something else I noticed is the more the hair is clean, the less breakage it has, you know. So as you can see, no much hair in that comb. So yeah, I really try to wash my hair once a week. For my shampoo, I'm using this Silky keratin shampoo, which is perfect for maintaining my keratin-treated hair. After rinsing, my hair looks curly, but still soft and manageable. By the way, make sure the shampoo you're using is sulfate-free. Very important. Next up, I'm using the Keratin Deep Conditioner. This is one of my favorite products for adding moisture and to strengthen my hair. I section my hair into two to make sure I am applying it evenly. And I focus on the mid-length and ends where my hair tends to be driest. While applying, I make sure I massage the product through each and every strand because I want every strand coated with this amazing product. Deep conditioning is a crucial step in maintaining healthy hair, especially when you've done treatments like keratin or you use heat styling tools regularly, which is exactly what I do. Then I just go ahead with my tangle teaser and brush through. This is also another way to make sure your hair is fully coated with that conditioner. Once applied, I put on a polythene bag to trap heat and let the deep conditioner penetrate my strands. I leave this for about 20 minutes, which is the perfect amount of time to let all that moisture soak in. After the 20 minutes, I take off my polythene bag off my head and I start unraveling my hair. Then I just go ahead and use this tangle teaser to brush through. My hair feels so soft and hydrated. thanks to this deep conditioner, which I really love. Yeah, after that I just go ahead and rinse my hair. This is my hair rinsed and towel dried. Now it's time to care for my scalp. I am using the Keratin Genesis serum, which helps prevent breakage and keeps my scalp healthy. I apply a few drops directly to my scalp and massage it in with my fingertips. This not only stimulates blood circulation, but also ensures the serum absorbs properly. Next, I'm using Olaplex No. 6 Leave-In Conditioner to lock in moisture and keep my hair strong. I love this product because it helps repair bonds in the hair, which is essential after treatments or heat styling. After that, I follow with the Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is a must-have for anyone who wants sleek, frizz-free hair. It's like an invisible shield against humidity. I spray it generously all over my hair and massage it to make sure every strand is coated. Before using any heat, I apply the Silky Keratin Heat Spray. Heat protectant is non-negotiable for me because it helps prevent damage and helps maintain the longevity of the keratin treatment. Now I'm sectioning my hair into 4 parts using clips to make sure blow drying is easier. For this step, I'm using my Revlon paddle brush blow dryer. It's amazing for smoothing and drying hair at the same time. I start at the roots and work my way down to the ends, going section by section. You'll notice how sleek and straight my hair looks even before flat ironing. Blow drying like this sets the foundation for the rest of the styling process. Look at how sleek that looks, with just blow drying. So now you can imagine how this hair is going to look after a flat iron. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and finish up, and this is how it looks. After blow drying, I apply a small amount of Olaplex No. 7 oil for added shine and to tame flyaways. This oil also works as a heat protectant, so I just like to add it there just to get some extra protection before using my flat iron. Next, I prepare my hair for flat ironing. So for this, I make sure I part my hair into small sections just to be sure that I get all the hair. So as you can see, I'm using a flat iron with a comb attachment, which helps to get my hair super straight without needing multiple passes. I really like this comb attachment because I'm not so handy when it comes to doing the chasing method where I have to use both my hands. So this one is definitely a hack you need to try. So I'll just continue section by section. Yeah, and I'll be back once I'm done. For my edges, I switched to a pencil flat iron to get those small, delicate areas without risking burns. This step is key for a polished, sleek look. Once I'm done, this is my hair, so I'll just go ahead and comb it. And the other thing I love before wrapping my hair is just to make sure that I create bumps on the ends, because I feel like it gives me more bounce, once I unwrap the hair. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and create those bumps. I then go ahead and pat my hair down the middle and comb it into place. Yeah, and as you can see, I am wrapping it securely around my head. You can use clips if you need to. This is also another hack I love when it comes to wrapping my hair. And to keep everything smooth, I tie a G-rag over it. And let it sit for about an hour, and even longer if possible. Yeah, but you have to let it sit for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see the excitement all over my face. Yeah, this is normally the revealing moment to see if this was a success. And this is the final look. Yeah. So after unwrapping my hair, you can see how silky, shiny, and bouncy it is. Yeah, so I just go ahead and comb that out. Just see how bouncy that is. Yeah, so I go ahead and just pat in the middle. Depends on, if you want a side part or a mid part. I love it in the middle most of the time. So let me take a minute of your time to just explain to you what keratin treatments are. For those of you who may not know, keratin treatments are designed to smooth your hair by infusing it with keratin, which is a natural protein our hair already contains. It works by sealing the hair cuticles, which reduces frizz, enhances shine, and makes styling so much easier. For my fussy hair, it's been amazing because it helps with shrinkage, tangles, and even reduces breakage. The best part? It doesn't permanently alter my natural curl pattern, so if I want my curls back, they'll still be there. Alright, so I hope this explains why I was very interested in trying out the keratin treatment. And the other thing is, there are options out there. So the one I used is formaldehyde free. So yeah, I would definitely advise against using keratin treatments which have formaldehyde, which unfortunately, if exposed to it, it can cause cancer. We don't want that. So this is the back of my head. I see a spot that I must have missed. It's always a challenge flat ironing the back of your head without being able to see it. Yeah, so I'll just go back and straighten that. So lastly, I add a touch more Olaplex number 3 oil to tame any flyaways, any remaining flyaways. And I am absolutely loving the results of my keratin treatment so far. My hair is so much more manageable, frizz-free, and easy to style. If you are considering keratin for your 4C hair, I highly recommend it. It's been a total game changer for me. So I hope you loved that. Let me know if you'd like more of these videos. I can share with you whenever I maybe use a new product. Yeah, for the products I've used, please do check the info section. I will link them all in the info section. And in case you are not subscribed because it's your first time, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, make sure to turn on the bell so that you are notified whenever I upload my next video. Until then, stay blessed and catch you next time. Bye bye.